Hey y'all, everybody's favorite bumpkin here. Hey, check it out. We're going to change the lineup up just a smidge tonight because my amphibious amigo is oddly enough absent here this week. Rainey just got caught up and he had some real world, real life stuff going on and he didn't have time to sit down and make a video. Hey, that's cool. I get it. It happens. I mean, it is what it is. However, right before we kick off our live stream at 8 p.m. tonight, actually, we're going to bump that back to about 8:10 because we got everybody's favorite Gma. That's right, Gma Rides. She's got her video, and I'm going to put her out right in front of me. That way she's got time to, go grab snackies and stuff like that and get ready for the live stream because we're going to sit around tonight and we're going to talk about what makes a good YouTuber and what doesn't, and what is probably the single most reason why I will never be successful as a YouTuber in the motorcycle world and what I'm doing wrong. So, yeah, good times. Come on. 8:10 tonight at Joe the Mountain Jedi channel. We're doing it live, y'all, but come around at 8 o'clock because Gma Lives is up in front of me, okay? See you tonight, guys. By the way, bring snackies and sippy cups because it's going to be a while for us tonight. We got a lot to unpack here.